Okay? Today I bought a large snap lid container from Dollar General. And it does kind of look like a Pelican case type thing, with the cheaper little Pelican cases. Do that, and that. It does have an O-ring in it. I don't know if you can see that, but there's the O-ring. And, you know, I want to build a small little survival kit in it. So, yeah. Let's do this, and this. And it kind of seems like it is waterproof, kind of, or water resistant. But this would be a really nice little thing to do a little survival kit in. It is 33.84 ounces or 1 liter. So if I had to, I could put 1 liter of water in here if I had to. But yeah. Now, this, I don't know how much this costs. I don't know where the thing went, but it's a nice big size little container. Now I can just, you know, have a kit in here. If need be, grab it, go, take out the contents, put water in here, seal it in here until I can put it into a thing and boil it. So yeah, I'm gonna have to test the crap out of this. I'm gonna have to test the crap out of this. See how durable it is. It's BPA free, which is good, I guess. I don't know half this crap means. I don't know if you can. I can't say for crap, but yeah, I don't know what any of that means. I think you can microwave it. You can, I don't know, freeze it, and it's BPA free. Honestly, this is actually nice little containers to have as a survival kit thing, or if you had to use it for water. So yeah. Anyway, that's something I got today at Dollar General, because I'm always going to Dollar General, so why not? Dollar General hat. I actually think it's an open trails hat. I don't know. Anyway, yeah. So yeah. Okay. Freezer. Oh yeah, freezer. Oh. It tells me what it is. I think. Freezer safe, microwave safe, top rack of a thing, and dishwasher safe. I guess that's what all that means. I don't know, but I know it's microwave safe. So if I had to, I could put some ramen noodles in here. I would too. Anyway, that's what I got from Dollar General. Peace.